Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki carried join body Commissioner of Roads and Bridges Etienne Uzamere, Commissioner of Public Safety and Security Kingsley Wagbale, and some other top government organs to go do check on the ongoing road construction wey dey go on for Ekehuan, Road and environs. For im talk with Tori pipo, Oga Obaseki come reassure the completion of the construction project before im go comot for office and say the road dey very important as e lead to Gelegele wey be the closest road to Benin Port. E come talk say dem need the road to move men and materials as dem dey construct the Benin River Port, and say with the last survey wey dem do, e show say the area get plenty people there as nothing less than 100,000 people dey stay the area, and e no see why dem go continue to dey suffer sake of the road. Obaseki come reassure say as im talk before, im go complete every major project wey e start before im comot for office for November 2024.
This is a very significant road. As you know, for now, this is the main road leading to Ugbene, Gelegele, with the closest points to the Benin River Port. So initially, we will need this road to move men and material during construction to the Benin River Port. Subsequently, part of the port project will be to build dedicated roads to move traffic. But between now and when the port is complete, this is going to be a major artery. Beyond being a major artery to the port, I believe when we did our last survey, in this neighborhood alone, in this area, you must have not less than 100,000 dwellings. So it's a highly populated area, and the citizens who live here are also citizens of Edo, and there's really no reason why they should continue to endure this level of hardship. Like I said, every major project I started, I will complete before I leave office.
Permanent Secretary Ministry of Roads and Bridges Ferguson Abulele come talk say dem dey deploy concrete technology to construct road for Edo since 2016, and say na the technologies dem use for Navy Sanogeva Street project, and say from 2016 till now Navy Sanogeva Street still dey good. E come talk say for the design of Ekehuan Road, na Oga Governor suggest say make dem use the same technology for the lowland areas to guarantee say e go last for minimum of 70 years.
The concrete technology has been in existence for a very long time, but you recall that when His Excellency took office in 2016, the concrete technology was one of the first doors he knocked, particularly when he used it in Navy Street. And since 2016 to date, Navy Street and Ogeva Street are still very intact, where the concrete technology was used. Then, when we carried out the design of Ekehuan Road, we discovered that there are associated sports segments of this road that have this of what we call these low-lying areas, the sacks of the alignment, because we have sacks and we have crest. So, and to defloat some of these sacks, it's going to be very cumbersome, because we are looking at sending some of them to Agba River. Then we had to look at another alternative. In fact, I think it was also a suggestion from an initiative of the Excellency, the use of the concrete technology, which we now say, okay, let us use it here. We know that if we use a proper strength of a grade 30 concrete, that the concrete will last for a minimum of 70 years. So we have decided to use these technologies in all these low-lying areas. But as we were coming, His Excellency also instructed us to immediately start the investigation for the possibility of a permanent discharge of the low points by carrying out detailed designs of this plane. So we are going to do that in conjunction with Human. So this is a good technology, and I'm sure maybe His Excellency is going to reveal later, because he's still going to use it in some parts of Benin City, which we want him himself to mention.
Ekehuan Road contractor engineer Red Duke come talk say by October 2024 dem go complete the road project, sake of say dem don start the earthwork and concrete work together, and say by March 2024 asphalt work go start.
We've started just because of the rains. Now that the rains we have a better weather, we've started like I told the PS and the commissioner, the earthwork have started, the concrete work we are doing simultaneously. Definitely by ending of March, we see some asphalt work going on. So our target is, after the rain season, by October, everything about Ekehuan Road will be completed. The commuters and the community, they will have the reason to smile and to thank the Excellency for the great work that he's doing.
One of the residents for the area, Uche Nwambuzo, talk say them dey okay with the work and contrary salute to Governor Obaseki for the road construction.
I'm satisfied with the level of job. I want to use this media to thank our Excellency. I thank him, God will bless him. And please, the construction company, they should hasten up, please. I know they have been working. The work is okay. We love it, and we love Your Excellency. The youth, I promise you, the youth, they are going to vote for continuously.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.